Can you identify load-bearing wall studs? Have you ever wondered how to tell if a wall in your home is load-bearing? Knowing this can save you from costly mistakes in renovations. Let's break down how to identify load-bearing wall studs effectively. First, it is essential to understand what load-bearing walls do. These walls support the weight of the building above them and transfer that load down to the foundation. This is different from non-load-bearing walls, which only act as partitions. To start identifying load-bearing studs, check the direction of the floor joists or roof trusses above the wall. If the wall runs perpendicular or at a 90-degree angle to the joists or trusses, it is likely load-bearing. Walls that run parallel to the joists are usually not load-bearing. You can verify this by inspecting the basement or attic to see how the joists run. Another method is to locate the main structural beams or columns in the basement or crawl space. Load-bearing walls often align directly above these supports. Additionally, exterior walls are almost always load-bearing since they support the roof and upper floors. Within the wall framing, load-bearing walls include special studs called jack studs and king studs around openings like doors and windows. Jack studs support the header, which is a horizontal beam that carries the load over the opening. The header is typically made of doubled or laminated lumber to handle the weight effectively. If you have access to the building's blueprints or framing plans, these documents can clearly indicate which walls are load-bearing. However, if blueprints are not available, careful inspection of joist direction and structural alignment is key. When it comes to home renovation, identifying load-bearing studs is vital before making any changes to walls. Removing a load-bearing wall without proper support can lead to serious structural issues. If you must remove a load-bearing wall, a temporary support system and a properly sized beam or lintel must be installed to carry the load safely. In summary, to identify load-bearing wall studs, remember to check if the wall runs perpendicular to floor joists or roof trusses, inspect the basement or attic floor joist direction and support beams, recognize special studs around openings, consult building plans if available, and understand that exterior walls are almost always load-bearing. This knowledge is essential for safe renovations and maintaining the structural integrity of your home.